Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to add a new sheet in the Excel. So I will show you two methods. So by following that method you can easily insert a new sheet in Excel. So here you can see a home option. So first method is that click on the home options. So after this here is the options of insert. So just click on insert, and after this here is the options of insert sheet. So when you will click on insert sheet, so you can see new sheet is added. So it is the first method. So second method is very easiest method. So here you can see plus option. So when you will click on just plus options, new sheet will be added. So you can see here you can click on plus options. You can add multiple sheet in Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.